Welcome to my channel Neotech Lens, your ultimate lens into the world of technology, bringing you the latest updates, groundbreaking innovations, and future-shaping trends. From cool gadgets to tech insights, we've got it all. Let's tech it up and explore the future together.
Qwen 2.5 versus GPT-4 versus Gemini. Which AI reigns supreme? Yo, what's up everyone? It's Neotech here, and the AI game is absolutely on fire right now. We've got OpenAI's GPT-4 still holding it down, Google's Gemini stepping onto the scene, and now Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 is here to shake things up. It's like the heavyweight championship of AI, and we're all here for the main event. Each of these models is bringing some serious heat, but the big question is, which one comes out on top? Is Qwen 2.5 the game changer we've been waiting for? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI. We're talking language skills, coding prowess, reasoning abilities, you name it, we're putting these AI models to the test. We'll break down their strengths, expose their weaknesses, and by the end, you'll know exactly which AI model deserves the crown. So if you're ready to witness the future of AI unfold, buckle up, smash that subscribe button, and let's get this AI showdown started. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of any good AI language. This is where things get really interesting. We're talking about the ability to understand complex sentences, generate human-like text, and basically just hold a conversation that doesn't scream, "Hey, I'm a robot." GPT-4, as you might expect, comes out swinging with some seriously impressive language skills. It's incredibly smooth in the way it generates text, almost like it's channeling its inner Shakespeare. We're talking creative writing, storytelling, even understanding those subtle nuances of human conversation. GPT-4 handles it all with a level of fluency that's pretty mind-blowing. But hold on, because Qwen 2.5 isn't backing down. While it might not be the next Hemingway, Qwen takes a slightly different approach. It's all about that precision, that technical accuracy that makes it a beast in the world of enterprise AI solutions. Think reports, technical documentation, things that need to be clear, concise, and straight to the point. Qwen 2.5 nails that. And then we've got Gemini, Google's contender in the ring. Now, Gemini's no slouch when it comes to understanding those complex prompts and queries. It can juggle multiple ideas and generate some pretty coherent responses. However, and this is where things get a little tricky, Gemini sometimes stumbles when it comes to maintaining consistency, especially in those longer conversations. It's like it forgets what it said a few sentences ago, and that can be a bit of a deal breaker. So, who takes the crown in this round? For sheer creativity and that human-like touch, GPT-4 still holds its own. But if accuracy and that laser focus on technical language are what you're after, Qwen 2.5 is a force to be reckoned with. Gemini shows potential, but it needs to work on that long-term memory. Alright, round 2, and things are about to get a whole lot more technical. We're talking coding, the language of the future, and these AI models are stepping up to the keyboard. GPT-4, once again, flexes its impressive skills. Code completion, suggesting lines of code, even understanding the intent behind your code. GPT-4 does it all with a level of proficiency that would make any developer jealous. It's like having a coding buddy who can anticipate your every move. But here's the thing. While GPT-4 is undoubtedly powerful, it can sometimes get a little, shall we say, creative with its solutions. It might give you code that works, but it might not be the most efficient or elegant solution. And in the world of coding, efficiency is key. Enter Qwen 2.5, the pragmatist of the group. Qwen takes a more structured, almost methodical approach to coding. It's all about generating code that's clean, optimized, and ready to be deployed in real-world applications. Think of it as the senior developer who's seen it all and knows how to get things done right. And then there's Gemini, holding its own in the coding arena. It can definitely handle those basic coding tasks, generating snippets of code and helping you debug those pesky errors. However, when compared to the coding powerhouses that are GPT-4 and Qwen 2.5, Gemini feels a little bit like the intern who's still learning the ropes. So, who comes out on top in this coding showdown? If you're looking for that creative spark, that out-of-the-box coding solution, GPT-4 is your go-to. But for those who value structure, efficiency, and code that's ready to ship, Qwen 2.5 is the clear winner. Gemini, keep practicing, you'll get there. Chapter 3. Round 3. And it's time to put these AI brains to the ultimate test, reasoning and math. We're talking logic puzzles, complex calculations, and the ability to think critically. This is where the rubber really meets the road. GPT-4, known for its impressive language skills, steps up to the plate with a surprising amount of logical prowess. It can solve riddles, understand analogies, and even tackle some pretty complex mathematical equations. It's like GPT-4 took a crash course in logic and aced the exam. But here's the catch. GPT-4, in its quest to please, can sometimes fall into the trap of hallucinating answers. It might give you an answer that sounds plausible, even confident, but when you actually break it down, it's completely off base. It's like GPT-4 is trying to bluff its way through a math test. Qwen 2.5, on the other hand, takes a more calculated approach. It's all about precision, accuracy, and making sure every answer is backed by solid logic and data. Qwen 2.5 excels in those situations where there's a right answer and a wrong answer, no room for ambiguity. It's like the calculator that never makes a mistake. And then we have Gemini, putting up a good fight in the reasoning ring. It can handle those basic logic problems and even surprise you with its ability to grasp complex concepts. However, when faced with those really deep, multi-layered logical problems, Gemini tends to stumble. It's like it's trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. So, who emerges as the reasoning champion? For general logic and problem solving, GPT-4 is no slouch. But if you need absolute accuracy and that unwavering commitment to logical reasoning, Qwen 2.5 is the clear winner. Gemini, keep practicing those brain teasers. You'll get there. Chapter 4. Alright, final round, and it all comes down to this: speed and performance. In the world of AI, it's not just about what you can do, but how fast you can do it. We're talking response times, efficiency, and the ability to handle those demanding workloads. GPT-4, known for its power, is no slouch when it comes to speed. It can process information and generate responses at a pace that would make your head spin. But here's the trade-off. All that power comes at a cost. GPT-4 requires some serious computing muscle to run smoothly, which can be a limiting factor for some. Qwen 2.5, with its focus on practicality, takes a slightly different approach. It's been optimized for those enterprise-level workloads, meaning it can handle massive amounts of data without breaking a sweat. It's like the workhorse of the AI world, built for endurance and efficiency. And then there's Gemini, sprinting onto the scene with some impressive speed. In many cases, Gemini can actually outperform GPT-4 in terms of raw processing power. However, and this is a big one, Gemini's speed sometimes comes at the expense of accuracy. It's like it's rushing through a test, making careless mistakes along the way. So, who takes home the gold in the speed and performance category? If you need raw power and speed is your top priority, Gemini might seem tempting. But for those who value consistency, reliability, and the ability to scale, Qwen 2.5 is the clear winner. GPT-4, while powerful, needs to work on its efficiency. So, there you have it, folks. An epic showdown between three of the most advanced AI models on the planet. Each one brings its own strengths and weaknesses to the table. And honestly, it's amazing to see how far AI has come in such a short amount of time. Ultimately, the best AI for you really depends on your specific needs. Need something for creative writing or brainstorming? GPT-4 is still a solid choice. Looking for accuracy and efficiency in coding or technical tasks? Qwen 2.5 is a force to be reckoned with. And Gemini, while still a work in progress, shows a lot of potential with its speed and versatility. But here's the thing. This is just the beginning. The AI race is only going to get more intense, and that competition is going to push all of these models to evolve at an even faster pace. The future of AI is brighter than ever, and I, for one, can't wait to see what amazing things we can accomplish together. Now, let me know in the comments which AI model you think will dominate the future. Is Qwen 2.5 the game changer it seems to be? Or will GPT-4 and Gemini step up their game? Let's discuss. Ultimately, the best AI depends on your needs. But one thing is clear, AI is evolving faster than ever, and competition will push all of these models to improve. The future is exciting. What do you think? Will Qwen 2.5 overtake GPT-4 and Gemini, or is OpenAI still leading the way? Let us know in the comments.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTechLens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.